Following a problem arose against an individual who would be a student at institution higher learning named UITM. We assigned to solve the problem. The problem faced by an individual named Nawal is that she wants a computer that can do many things. As stated, she wants a computer that complete her tasks through some software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and Access. Not only that, she also wants to use the programming software such as VBNet and C++. She also wanted a computer with high quality graphics and sounds. And lastly, she wants his computer with a large capacity to load many of her assignment files. Therefore, here we will give the best suggestions in solving the problems.
For my part, motherboard. Motherboard are the backbone that binds computer components in one place and allow them to talk each other. Without it, no computer can interact such as a CPU, GPU or hard drive. The entire function of the motherboard is required for the computer to function properly. The motherboard that we will recommend to Nawal is the ROG STRIX Z390 iGaming motherboard. This motherboard is very suitable for Nawal request. This is because this motherboard is very suitable for doing process such as playing games, editing, watching movie, and doing programming. This motherboard is sold at a price of RM839. The CPU for this motherboard is CPU Intel 8 Gen Intel Core. The chipset for this motherboard is Intel Z390, and the memory for this motherboard is 2x DIMM Max 64GB DDR4. And for the graphic card is use integrated graphic processor, Intel HD graphic support, and the operating system for this motherboard is Windows 10 64-bit. Now, computer case. The computer case serves primarily as a way to install and insert all the actual components in computer, such as the motherboard, hard disk, optical drive, and others. They are usually accompanied by a power supply. The computer case that we want to recommend to Nawal is ICUE 4000X RGB tempered glass mid-tower ATX case. This computer case is perfect for putting all the computer components in it. In addition, this computer casing has facial pedals that can make each other component look more interactive when inside. This computer case is sold at a price of RM530. This computer case material is used steel, tempered glass, and plastic. The case dimension is 453mm by 230mm by 466mm. The weight for this computer case is 7.8 kg.
So, the first hardware is processor. Processor that we suggested to Nawal is AMD Ryzen 5 3600 XT. We suggested this processor to Nawal is because this processor is very good and suitable with the Nawal needs, as she want to play games. I will share a little bit specification about this processor. So, the CPU core is 6, the thread is 12, the base clock is 3.8 GHz, and max boost clock is up to 5.4 GHz. For the OS support, it supports Windows 10 64-bit edition, RHEL x86 64-bits, and Ubuntu x86 64-bit. For the system memory specification is up to 3200 MHz and system memory type is DDR4. The last one in specification is supported technologies. The first one is AMD Store MI technology, the second one is AMD Zen Core architecture, and the third one is AMD Ryzen Master Utility. We guarantee that by having this processor into the computer, Nawal will enjoy gaming with a high quality performance without any lags or buffering, and also Nawal can do her job perfectly. The second hardware is system memory. As we know, system memory is very important in a computer, so we want Nawal to have a best system memory, and we suggested Corsair Vengeance LPS DDR4 32GB. This system memory be designed for high performance and come out with a head spreader and also 8 layers of PCB. Now I will share about the specification for this system memory. So the memory size is 32 GB kit, the tested voltage is 1.5, the tested speed is 3200 MHz, the hex spreader is anodized aluminium, and the package memory format is DIMM. This system memory is very suitable for Nawal because she wants to install a variety of software and gaming that require a strong and high quality system memory. This is the best system memory that Nawal should have. The third hardware is graphic card. Before that, graphic card is a card that been installed within a computing device with the purpose of displaying graphical data with a high quality graphic, color, clarity, definition, and overall appearance. So, the graphic card that we suggested to Nawal is PALIC GeForce GTX 1650 GP4GB GDDR6. Now, I will share about the specification for this graphic card. For GPU engine spec is NVIDIA CUDA cores, which is 896. For the memory spec, such as memory speed is 12 Gbps. For the standard memory config is 4GB GDDR6 and the memory interface width is 128B. For technology support such as NVIDIA GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Ansel, NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. For the display support, maximum digital resolution is 7680 multiplied by 4320, which is 120 Hz. For the maximum GPU temperature in Celsius is 90 until 94. For the graphic card power is 75. Next is hard disk. So in order to have the best and quality new computer, it should have the best hard disk. So we suggested Nawal to purchase Toshiba Internal Hard Drive X300. Basically, this hard disk is designed for a large capacity, incredible high performance storage, and variety of advanced features. So, this fulfills the needs of Nawal as she wants to install a variety of software and gaming. So, now I will share the specification for this hard disk. For basic specification, the form factor is 3.5 inch. For the interface is SATA 6.0 GB. For the performance, rotational speed is 7200 RPM. For the buffer size is 512 MB and 256 MB. For the reliability, MTTF 600,000 hours. We can say that this Toshiba Internal Hard Drive X300 is a suitable and the best hard disk that Nawal can purchase. The last hardware that we would like to share is DVD-ROM. DVD-ROM stands for Digital Versatile Disk Read-Only Memory. So, DVD-ROM that we want to suggest to Nawal is Asus BW16D1H10 Pro Ultra Fast 16X Blu-ray Burner with MDisk. Now I will share about the specification of this hardware. For the read speed, maximum is BD-ROM 12X, DVD-ROM is 16X, and CD-ROM is 48X. For the write speed, maximum DVD-RAM is 5X, CDR is 48X, and CDRW is 24X. For the OS compatibility is Windows 10 or Windows 8 or 8.1. The last one is system requirement. For the RAM, 1GB or more recommended. For HDD is 10GB or more. We really recommended this DVD-ROM to Nawal as it brings a lot of benefit that Nawal can have.
Software is a group of instructions, data or program used to operate a computer and perform certain tasks. Software is general term used refer to application, script and program that run on a device. It can be thought as a changeable part of a computer, while hardware is an inevitable part. There are three types of software. The first is utility software, the second is programming software, and the third is authoring software. Utility software. Utility software is system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. Utility software typically focus on how a computer infrastructure operates. The example of utility software is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Access. Microsoft Word is a word processor, and like other word processor, it is capable of helping users create many different types of documents. Microsoft Word has features including spell checking, grammar checking, text and font formatting. Microsoft Excel is useful and powerful program for data analysis and documentation. This is spreadsheet program which contain a number of columns and rows, where each intersection of column and rows is a cell. Microsoft Excel has features including find and replace commands, password protection, and data filter. Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is an information management tool or contact database that helps you to store information for reference. Microsoft Access has features including a ribbon interface, search bar, PDF report, and anchoring. Programming software. Programming software is software that help programmer develop other software. Compiler, assembler, debugger are example of programming software. An integrated development environment (IDE) is a combination of all these software. The example of programming software is VB.NET and C++. Visual Basic.NET (VB.NET) is an object-oriented computer programming language implemented on the .NET framework. Auto, an evolution of the classic Visual Basic language. It is not compatible with VB6, and code written in older version is not compiled under VB.NET. VB.NET has features including Boolean condition, automatic garbage collection, and standard library. C++ is C++. C++ is a powerful general-purpose programming language. It can be used to develop operating system, browser, game, and so on. C++ support various ways of programming such as procedural, object-oriented, functional, and so on. This makes C++ powerful and flexible. C++ has features including an object-oriented, simple, platform-dependent, and REST library. Authoring software. Authoring software is a software that helps users create their own media content. The example of authoring software are Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Director. Adobe Dreamweaver is a proprietary web development tool. Dreamweaver helps developers build websites for the internet or internet, letting developer design, code, and manage websites and mobile content. The features of Adobe Dreamweaver are Git support, CEF update, and CEF integration. Adobe Premiere is the industry-leading video editing software for social, TV, and movie sharing. This tool integration with others apps and services, and the power of Adobe Sensei help you turn footage into polished movies and videos. Adobe Premiere features are motion graphic templates, joint project, VR editing, and VR rotate sphere. Adobe Director is a multimedia application authoring platform created by Macromedia and operated by Adobe System until its termination. Adobe Director features add text to speech, caption, and text navigation to web based on shortwave content.
In this section, I will explain about input device. There are three input devices that I will explain, which is keyboard, mouse, and webcam. Firstly is keyboard. Keyboard is one of the primary input device that allow user to input text into a computer or any other electronic machinery. The keyboard that we suggest to the buyer is Razer Synosa V2 Chroma Membrane Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard most comfortable keyboard for gaming. The design is attractive and colorful for gaming. This keyboard is RGB gaming keyboard. It also quiet for using. The specification for this keyboard is Swiss type use is soft cushion gaming grade key. Key feel is soft and cushion. The size is full size and the lighting is laser chroma backlighting with 60.8 million custom color option. The connectivity used by this keyboard is by wire, and lastly the keycap is use ABS plastic. The second input device is mouse. Mouse is a small hardware input device used by hand. It controls the movement of the cursor on the computer screen and allow user to move and select for the text, file, and icon on a computer. Mouse that we suggest to use is Logitech G102 Gaming. It has 6000 dpi adjustable and RGB macro programmable. Also, it has a simple structure and simple shape, durable and comfortable to use. It providing incredible accuracy, speed, and stability. The specification for this mouse is the material is ABS, the resolution is you can adjust from 200 until 6000 dpi, the maximum speed is 200 IPS, the size is 50.3 cm multiply 10.3 cm multiply 5 cm. Microprocessor is 32 by ARM, board memory is 1 configuration file, cable length is 2.1 meter, feature is wire adjustable and RGB light. The third input device is webcam. Webcam is a digital video device commonly built into a computer. Its main function is for transmit picture over the internet. It is popularly used with instant messaging service and for recording image. The webcam that we suggest is Logitech C920HD Pro webcam. This webcam is perfect for use with mouse streaming or instant messaging application. The specification for this webcam is video calling quality is Full HD, 1080p video at 30 fps, glass lens is Full HD wide 78 degree and premium auto focus. The microphone is 2 microphone or dual. The first output device is headphone. Headphone are small speakers which you wear over your ear in order to listen to music or other sound without people hearing. Headphones are a hardware device that can be plugged into a computer, laptop, smartphone, MP3 player or other device to privately listen to audio. Headphone that we suggest to use is Razer Black Shark V2 multi-platform wire. This headphone has the ability to tune high, mid and low audio frequency individually. It has powerful bass with vocals that are clear. Also, it's lightweight. The specification for this headphone is the weight is 240 gram, driver size, diameter is 50 mm, driver type is Razer Triforce, ear cup is with Apple memory foam cushion, inner ear cup diameter 63 mm, multiply 43 mm, earpad material is breathable memory foam, noise cancelling is advanced passive noise cancellation. The frequency response is 12 Hz until 28 Hz. The second output device is a monitor. Monitor is an electronic output device that is also known as a video display terminal or a video display unit. It is used to display image, text, video and graphic information generated by a connected computer via a computer video card. Monitor that we suggest to use is Xiaomi Curve Gaming Monitor. It includes 21/9 watt panoramic view, which is game interface 30% wider than average. Also, it have a ultra clear image with clarity. Besides that, it includes low blue light to protect eyesight and adjustable bracket. The specification for this monitor is the resolution is 3440 x 1440p, the screen curvature is 1500R, refresh rate is 144 Hz, color is 60.7 million 8 byte, brightness is 300 CD/M2, window model is single window, left or right, split screen and picture-in-picture mode. Stand height is 24.35 cm. Lastly, item size with stand is 81 cm, weight multiply 52.1 cm head.
For pricing consideration, we can see the price of the motherboard was 839 ringgit, for a computer case was 530 ringgit, and for hardware, which is processor, 1080 ringgit, and system memory 938 ringgit. And then the price for graphic card was 1398 ringgit, for hard disk was 2800 ringgit, and DVD-ROM was 347.99 cents. For the input device, which is keyboard, it was 189 ringgit, for mouse 30 ringgit and 71 cents. For the webcam, 389 ringgit. And then for the output device, which is headphone, the price was 379 ringgit, and for the monitor, which is 1649 ringgit. So the total all of this thing was 10,569 ringgit and 70 cents. In conclusions, all the suggestions that we gave a moment ago are very highly effective in solving Nawa's problem in having a versatile computer. That's all from us. Thank you.